Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the Sandnes Garn magazine. This is 2308 volume 1 and I'm going to show you a full flip through of all the designs and then I'm going to tell you my 3 favorite models from this one. So make sure you write down yours. I was so excited to receive this issue because I thought it's absolutely beautiful and has some really interesting designs. So number 1 is the artisan cardigan, and I totally fell in love with this. I love the asymmetrical design. I love the fact that you have so many textures in one cardigan. I know it's a little bit oversized. If you look on Ravelry, there are now almost 40 projects, so maybe have a look. If you want it to be more fitted, you're gonna have to make some adjustments, but I just think it is so cool and has both like a modern but also timeless quality. I also love this Stella funnel neck. I think it's very practical and it could be a really quick knit up maybe for a Christmas gift. Very, very cool. And then lastly, this gingham sweater. I mean, come on. I don't know, I'm looking closer at this and I don't know that I would have the patience, but boy, do I ever love looking at it because this would be color work. There are 3 shades in this and it is a full color work sweater. Look at those long 2x2 cuffs, just such a beauty. Which one would you want to make out of this issue? Let me know below. I'm really curious to hear. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.